चैट जीपीटी सीखना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। प्रेजेंटेशन 2 मिनट में बनाना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। एआई टूल सीखना है, आ जाओ बॉस, वो भी सिखा दूंगा। 2 आवर्स की वर्कशॉप में इरिप्लेसेबल बना दूंगा।
We all know nowadays how important it is to have a website of your own, be it for just to grow your business or to show the customer what products do you sell or to just show about yourself like a portfolio. But to build a website requires a lot of knowledge. That is, on the front end you need to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. On the back end you need to have some knowledge about some coding languages like C++, Python, and then also you need to have a knowledge of database management. And if you see these topics, these are really difficult to learn, believe me. You don't need to learn any of these languages. I've got the right solution for you. In this today's world, when AI can do already a lot of things for you, AI can also build websites for you. Yes, you heard it right. And if you want to build a website, this is the right video on which you have clicked, because today I'm going to show you 5 different AI tools through which you can build your website, and that also for free, because these tools are completely free. And if you think that these websites would be based on default templates, don't worry. You can even customize the text and also the images the way you want your website. So let's start the video and let's go on the tool number 1. So before telling about the tool number 1, I just want you to know that if you want to learn more about AI, ChatGPT or MS Office with AI and ChatGPT, we have a live workshop that is going on. More details would be given ahead in the video and link is in the description for the workshop. So if you want to attend, you can, and stick to the end of the video for the website knowledge and also the knowledge about the live workshop. Let's continue the video. So the first website what we are going to use is CodeDesign.ai, and there you will see this homepage, and just click on build your website using AI, and after that it will ask you to write a website idea. Just simply write what kind of website do you want, and it will start working on your content. And while you wait, you can see it has built a company name with this fashion Insta, and everything is there with images, text. Not satisfied with the website what it has created, you can just simply click on regenerate site and it will create a new website for you. So now it has created another brand that is called Digital Elevation. And now if you want to say like you want to change this heading, just click on this heading and then type your own text like whatever you want. And if you are lazy and you don't want to write even that text, just click on AI Magic and click on improve writing, and that is for free. And you can also change the images on this website. Just you need to go on the sidebar and click on replace image, upload an image if you have an image, or just search an image from Pixabay. So we have got the image, and if you see we have already replaced the image. And to make this website live on the internet, just click on publish and then just click on display current version. And if you take that link, copy it and see it on the other tab, you will see a finished website for yourself. And see, it's that easy. So the next AI builder is Mixo.io. When you reach the homepage of Mixo.io, just click on get started for free. And here also you just need to write what is your idea and keep the same prompt so that we can see how good the websites are being generated by each AI. If you see, it has made a company name called Web Genius, and there are this quirky photos too that are added to the site. If you don't want the images, you can just click on refresh image selection and it will change the images. Once you will click on save and customize, it will ask you to buy a plan. But I said it's free, so you just need to click on continue with just free plan. That is just at the bottom of the screen. And again, you can customize everything. So if you want to change the title, just click on the text and you will just click on hero and you will get the title. Keep it whatever you want. So just delete it and write revolutionize your digital footprint effortlessly. And you can also change the subtitle that is written below the title. And if you want to change the image, just click on the image and just upload an image if you have one, or we can use Unsplash to find an image for ourselves. So we'll search digital marketing. I feel this image is right, so we'll take this image. Yes, we can keep this, and it has been already added. If you're satisfied with the website you have created, just click on publish and you'll get a link of your completed website. And again, if you open this in a new tab, you will have this complete website that is already generated for you. And if you want to change the website domain, just buy a premium plan where you can select what kind of domain you want for your website. And let's move on to the third tool. But before moving on to the third tool, so if you have reached till here in the video, I believe that you are really liking the video. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn more about AI, ChatGPT or MS Office with AI and ChatGPT, you can just go to our live workshop that is available just for 9 rupees, and I believe that's the best way to spend your 9 rupees. This live workshop is taught by 2 alumni of IIT Kharagpur, and you'll get a lot of information about AI, ChatGPT, and these informations would really help you in your day-to-day life and also help you in boosting your career. So what are you waiting for? The link is in the description. Attend the live workshop and increase your knowledge on AI and ChatGPT. And let's continue the video ahead. The third AI website builder is 10web.io. On the homepage and click on generate your website. It will ask you that what do you want to do, like create a new website with AI or convert a website to WordPress with AI. Just click on create a new website with AI. So now to create a website over here, it will ask for what type of business you want this website. So just select, like we have selected digital market. Just click on next. Choose a style for your website template. Like we'll click the classic one, that is black. And then if you see, there are a lot of ideas that have been generated for you. So if you like the idea, just click on next. Enter your company name, Web Genius, yes, and also give a description of the company. And after that, tell the 3 main features or the service you provide using your website. So we'll write digital strategy, online marketing, SEO, and then you just need to add company's mail address and company's phone number, and choose a tone of voice content. Like you want your website to be built this formal way or you want this to be informal. So you can select it the way you want and just click on finalize. And if you see, there's a beautiful website that has been generated for you with everything available. Also, it has given a testimonials of happy customers too. Smart AI. And if you want to edit your website, you can edit your website. And if you want, you can also select the Web Pro version, in which you can understand like whatever things and what things you will get in the Pro version. So just click on try Web 10 Pro for 7 days, and if you see that there are a lot of features what you get, like 25k monthly visitors, 10 GB SSD storage, and a lot of things. Just click on proceed, and now you can easily modify your website the way you want the website to be. If you want to edit the text, you can edit the text. If you want to edit the subtitle, you can easily edit the subtitle. And if you want to change the tone of the language, how it's written, just select that and it will be done for you. Now as you see, the whole title has been changed, and if you see, the website content has been updated, and you will have this primary domain that would be the website domain with like emerging mastodon.10web cloud. But if you want to add this .com extension, 10web allows you to do that with the Pro plan. So the advantage of using 10web is that the site you make will also be built with WordPress. So if you want to add features, you can easily add them using the WordPress plugins. So let's move on to the fourth website builder, that is createwebsite.io. So when you go on the homepage of createwebsite.io, just click on let's create website, and it will ask you the name of the project, description, location and email address and everything. Click on create project, and it will give you some ideas the way you want. And if you see, the whole website has been generated for you. And if you want to customize your website, it is very easy on this platform. So if you want to just change the layout, just click on the section and just click on this right arrow, and the layout would be changed for you. And if you want to change the title, just click on the title and then just click on this setting button, and then you'll get the title option what you can change. And if you want to change an image, it's the same process. Just upload an image if you have one, and just like this you can edit other sections too. Just go to any section, whatever section you want to change or you want to edit, just go in that section and edit it according to your needs. And once you are done with all the changes, just click on save. And if you go to the my projects, you will still have your website over there. And when you click on the my projects, you will get the link to your website. Just click on that website link and it will open the website that you have generated for yourself, and you can start sharing this link so that people can visit your website. And if you want to change this to your own domain, you need to get a subscription plan, again because that is a paid thing. On this website you get the subscription for just $1 a month, in which you can get a custom domain, create unlimited pages, you get unlimited bandwidth and also free SSL certificate. And if you want to buy this plan, you can, and it's really a good option if you want to consider this while building a website. And the last AI website builder is Elementor. So Elementor is basically used to edit your web designs that are created with WordPress, but they have also added an AI option using what you can create your websites. So if you already have a website and you want to like make it more flourishing or anything, just get that website imported into Elementor. Just open that website and click on edit with Elementor. You'll get this editing section just like other AI tools. Just click on edit with AI and like it will ask you to connect and sign into Elementor, and you can just do this by contouring it with the Google and just write on the AI beta version like whatever what you want for your like website to get upgraded. And you can like also add the prompts like whatever you want, if you want to simplify your text or you want them to make it longer. And that is how you can upgrade your website from simple looking website to a stunning website just with the help of AI, and also build websites using AI. And guys, that is it for this video. And if you like the information given in the video, don't forget to leave a like and also drop a comment for any of your doubts. And don't forget to subscribe Be10x. And don't forget, you can get a live workshop that is available for 9 rupees, and the link is in the description. So click on that link, get your knowledge enhanced, and see you in the next video of AI. Bye bye.